Hi everyone! Welcome to Mystic Oracle Tarot PH. Mga lovely subscribers ko, thank you sa walang sawang pag-support nyo sa akin. And your viewers, welcome as well. And please, I hope that mag-subscribe kayo, no? I hope that you will help me with to build up my channel back. I hope that you will support me, new viewers. Also everyone, please share my message as well, para naman makatulong yung kung alam nyo kung sinong yung maka-resonate ng message na ito na makakatulong sa sitwasyon nila. Please share it and it will also help me know my channel and baka mag-subscribe din sila. Okay, help me build my channel back, everyone. Okay. Sa every reading ko, no, hindi talaga lahat makaka-resonate. So, take it only kung ano mga mensahe na maka-resonate po kayo. The rest, leave it behind lang po kasi hindi pa para po sa inyo. Okay, let's begin your reading. Tingnan natin kung anong mensahe para sa inyo. Growth. Okay, growth. Seek out a mentor or guide. Take baby steps as you grow. Be willing to learn from others. Okay. Ano pa? Ano pa, Divine Universe? Okay, abundance. Nice. Enjoy the bounty of life. Your supply is unlimited. Blessings are coming to you. That's a good one. I feel like this growth, no, this one, no, I feel like that you need to grow something, or in your experience sa obstacle nyo, no, you learn something na you learn something, parang you learn to accept, maybe you learn to parang nagmamature ka, in short. Okay, yun yung growth na ano ko nito, na connection. Okay, parang nagmamature ka. Okay, intuition. Okay, listen to the whisperer of your heart. Use what is this, divination? It's too little tiny, very tiny words. I'm having trouble reading it. Bear with me, everyone. Use divination. Look to help. Help you decide. Trust your intuition, and trust your intuition no matter what. Trust your intuition no matter what. Okay. Ano pa? Isa din yung intuition mo, no? Mananalig ka lang sa intuition mo, no? Sa hala mo, no? Feeling mo, no? That's also a sign na you are growing. Nagmamature ka. Okay? Rebirth, new beginning. Itong abundance mo, no, ay nagbibigay ng ano mo. Yan yung inaantay mo na to start something. Okay? A fresh start. To start something. Okay, ano pa? Miracles. Teka, hindi ko binasa yung note niya. Sorry. Rebirth. Basahin ko muna. What is this? Reinvent yourself. Give life to your dreams. Create a new reality. Rebirth. Miracles. Have faith that your miracles is on its way. Your prayers have been answered. Surrender the what? Surrender the I can't read that. It's too small. Basta, miracles, your answer is already been heard. Okay? Goddess. Parang si Mama Mary ang nagtulong sa iyo this time. If you believe in Mama Mary, okay? For those people only believe in Mama Mary, for the rest, Divine Universe, yes. Okay? They heard your prayers. Goddess, honor your divine feminine energy. So, see your inner beauty. Love every part of you. There you go. I feel like kung some of you know, hindi not just Lord ang not just si Lord ang nanghingi ka no, but also Mama Mary. I feel like this is the connection with you're asking Mama Mary for your help, and she heard you and answered your prayers. For the rest, the divine universe answered you and heard you. Okay, and this is also something to do with the growth of yourself. Okay, you are really growing. You are maturing. Okay, because you are starting to learn. Okay, now you're starting to learn to know yourself even more better. Okay, ang ganda talaga, ang ganda ng mensahe niyo. Oh my God. Okay, ano pa? Wow, answered prayers. Okay. Oh my goodness. Someone is angry? Why are you angry? Someone is very angry. Okay. Ano pa? We'll get into your anger in a minute, okay? We'll get a tarot to clarify or confirm kung ano yung anger na yan, ano bang galit mo. Okay, well, but we'll get one more in this because I have one energy. Okay, isang energy lang na kunin ko. I can't find it yet. I feel like this one. Innocence. Ayan, meron talagang beginning. Meron talagang pagbabago. Fresh starts. Yan yung abundance mo. Ano ba yung klaseng abundance na yan? Okay. Let's clarify that one, okay? Just give me a minute. Let me get my tarot. Kung ano yung klaseng, ano bang kinagalit mo? Meron talaga rebirth, innocence. Meron talaga. Abundance is coming. It could be money in abundance. It could be something, a thing, abundance ang inaantay mo. Four of Wands. This is your, I want to know, let's do confirm about this. What kind of anger do you have? Why are you angry? Kasi pagod ka. Maybe pagod ka na sa sitwasyon, or there's something conflict na ano. Anong klaseng conflict yan? Okay. Anong klaseng conflict? Ace of Cups. Diyos ko, Lord. It's something to do with the abundance. Parang your patience is already overflowing or overwhelming you. Siguro yung galit na yan, no, na nararamdaman mo, no, yun yung tagal mo nang inaantay yung blessings, pero hindi talaga siya dumarating. Kaya pala yung anger mo. Kaya galit ka na. But you don't need to continue na magpatuloy na magalit, okay? Kasi temptation mo lang 'yan. The side of you lang, no? Side of you na galit, but feeling mo lang 'yan. Okay? It's a side of you na normal lang siya, feeling normal lang siya na magagalit ka. Syempre, sino namang matutuwa na na mag-aantay ka so much too long for the blessings to come, di ba? But do na, I mean, like this one, from the beginning pa lang, um, it teaches you, it gives you a lesson na you are growing, na nagmamature ka na, no, sa to accept all the situations na, no, to accept that. So yeah, so sa ano lang yan, temptation mo lang yan, feeling mo lang yan, but you don't need to, you don't need to get angry anymore kasi may good news na, 'di ba? May parating na talaga siya. You can have it, but yun nga lang, it doesn't say when you will receive it, pero ang sabi ni Divine Universe, okay, or Mama Mary, na-heard naman po kayo. It's on the way na po. Ibibigay na po nila sa iyo. Okay? Meron tayong high priestess. So hindi mo na kailangan magalit. See, intuition. Meron din dito, yan, confirmation mo, intuition. Follow your intuition, but not yung galit na intuition mo, ha? Follow the intuition na yung blessings na yan ay parating na po. Continue to be positive, continue to be more kind to yourself as well. Okay? Look after your well-being, look after yourself. Okay. May blessing na talaga na parating sa iyo. Kung ano man yang abundance to you, it could be money, it could be something okay? It could be a material na abundance, okay? Whatever is abundance that to you, ay parating na po. They heard you, they are ready to give it to you. Kaya, huwag ka na magalit kasi maybe the devil is just the devil lang yung nag-aano sa'yo na magagalit ka kasi syempre matagal ka na siguro nagantay like I said earlier, so wag ka na magalit, meron nang parating sa iyo na good news. Okay, that's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this reading. Yun lang talaga ang makunik ko na energy, and I hope that I hope that I'll see you in my next reading. Bye for now, everyone!